Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will explain two powerful tools in Trojan Bot: DCA orders and limit orders. These strategies help you trade smarter instead of guessing the market. Let's break it down in a simple way, but before starting the video, if you haven't joined Trojan, you can use our referral code, which is CryptoWhalexx, being displayed on the screen, or you can also use our referral link, which is available in the description of the video. If you join through our referral code or referral link, you can save money on transaction fees. Okay, so let's start. What is DCA? DCA means dollar cost averaging. Instead of buying a token all at once, you buy it little by little at different prices. This reduces risk if the price moves down. For example, let's say a token costs $1. Instead of buying $300 at once, you could buy $100 at $1, buy $100 at 0.90 cents, and buy $100 at $0.80. Okay, so your average price becomes lower. How to use DCA in Trojan? So step one, open the token. Let's suppose there are lots of token here. Let's suppose we select this token. Okay, you can also paste the token contract address here, and then you can open the trading panel inside Trojan. As you can see, this is the trading panel opened up here. So select DCA. As you can see, this is the DCA. Instead of normal buy, choose the DCA order. Now you can set total amount you want to invest, number of buy orders, and price level. So step 3, confirm the order. Once you confirm, Trojan will automatically buy at each price level. You don't have to watch the chart all the day. So what is a limit order? Limit order means you tell the bot to buy or sell only when the price reaches a specific level. Okay, this trade will not happen until the price is reached. For example, token price is $1. You can set a limit buy at $0.80. If the price drops to this amount, the bot automatically buys using limit orders for profit. So here's a step one for using limit order for profit. Set target sell. After buying a token, you can set a limit sell order by this selecting this option here. You can, for example, buy at $1, sell at $2. So when the project reaches $2, Trojan automatically sells your token. You don't have to sit and watch the chart. Why these strategies are powerful? DCA helps reduce entry risk. Limit order help log profits automatically. Together they make trading more controlled and less emotional. So here are some beginner tips here. So start small, test the strategy first before using larger amounts. Automation is helpful, but you still need discipline. So if you haven't joined this platform, our referral code, which is CryptoWhalexx, is being displayed on the screen, or you can also use our referral link to save money on transaction fee on this website. So if this helped you understand Trojan DCA and limit orders, like the like button and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Trade smart. Till then, goodbye.